You almost make my friend heart attack. One like mom.
No, I was relaxed, and then he called out.
Relax. Whenever I see you give it's like scrolling emoji on your phone. You know, different reaction.
You attack you have attack on me. Because I don't blame him, because if he is not going to put pressure, I'll put pressure. That's what he had to put pressure on me.
Too much pressure.
He put the pressure on me.
Do it like I think you got everything.
Because it's so low, as you can see. That's why I told them, like, you have to,
To play
he played a lot better than if he didn't play well, if he played like that, he's done.
It's very, very
That's the first time I was choosing. They're very good. But you know, I realized
On the table.
I saw Is it? He didn't know.
I think he can handle it.
Good.
No way! That's why he hasn't
You said it. I said to wait. 7 out. Still waiting. Why are you asking? Are you testing us? Because it's not. No. That way you're asking. You just testing us. You want to test
maybe
Very nice. Yes, really good.
that was high. Wow. I can do that later.
No. user training forehand serve, so you turn back using the backhand serve. So before you keep going, so you keep doing a critical point. But you can done well. You can go in. What you have to do is see already why it's already out of place. You don't need to force it, just put it on the table. And then you come back to set it up. You don't need to Wow, super shot.
Yeah, first time. Yeah. But what I'm saying is,
Did he beat so who was he beat? Because I played him.
no, Richard. Very bad at saying this. Not even.
I was too upset at my loss. Yeah, it's funny that pimples themselves.
Yeah, that's a funny thing, right? Should be fine.
We got the account in this team.
Wow.
This guy starts.
Holy crap.
We got slapped out 6 goals. There it was 2-1. Very good. Even there's a 3-1.
Wow.
Very good. Still doing well.
If you let him attack on his goal, that's why he does.
Come on.
Because once you start to if you keep him attacking, oh, he likes it.
I've seen other people say it was so far. Somebody wants to say people only
Wow!
This is the fact, right? And it's it has space. It has a little bit of space. All you have to do is move a little bit. They can get chance. They can get chance. They cannot chance. And then they do this.
So when I question them, they do this, what is going on? Even if they do it fast.
You hit the next one. And no matter how high or low, you hit it. Because you come so short.
Come on!
You have been 2-0.
Let's see, keep going, doing something. Hi. Hi.
Since I came in.
You too. You're sitting here, you could think before you speak. Because it's
Why you come? I thought you wanted to talk about
in a city country, right?
Oh, he was there. See, this guy playing all the time.
And then see, and then he just, hey, how are you? And then he comes and then it's not a smart decision to move out of the
Wow, go on.
realize it now.
If you tell him there is a fee capital agency, you say he needs to introduce you back to the business.
No, apparently no.
No, he said
I
they
thought it was, sorry, the door is closed now. He says, oh, I'm still concerned with water. I need it.
so you think you want to travel in introduction.
Oh, how's your captain now?
Wow!
Basta A-grade dyan. A-grade killer sa country.
Wow! Oh, that was super shot.
Come on, come on.
Alright. Ba't kayo nahaluan? Ba't kayo nahaluan? Ba't kayo nahaluan? Nilagay niya yan. Yan ang kinuha niyo talaga. Akala ko siniksik ni Eric eh.
One more.
Nalalas pa tayo mga lahat ng mga illegal sa illegal sa
Which team are you in bets?
in bets. Precious bunch.
Oh, you're playing good this Sunday morning.
Morning. Ah.
Who else was there?
Peter, me and Adam we play on
Peter, you went?
Peter,
You went?
Peter Fan. Peter Fan, Adam me.
Which team is Eugene in? Is it some other team? Eugene is not in your team. Eugene.
Wow.
That's it. Come on, Jonas.
Yeah, but it will be just fun for us.
Good one.
Because, as long as we show up, you already won the 3-1.
After playing with
Let. Very good.
Hindi pa nag-ulang si Bago, wala ka na advantage.
Hindi ba?
Pero try yung...
Si Eugene naka-roster? Ay, naka-roster siya. Hindi na magre-reklamo yan. Naka-roster. Ay. Eugene?
Roster siya. Tama-tama dating mo, kailangan niya siya. Diba? Tama-tama. Nandito ka, nakikita mo, ano,
Ah.
ang weakness mo. Alam mo siya. Hindi pinangako niya sa last season.
Oh.
Or after nung final, diba?
Sabi ka.
Service.
Yeah. I'm giving them the bench.
Beautiful.
It's almost
Nice one.
maybe one more week. But now I think but till 2 weeks back, it was very bad. Just push. But still quite lucky. Otherwise people are out for 6 months. This is me on its own. Have you won? Ooh, very close game.
Middle.
Ano si Master niya? Hindi niya
Come on. Keep it simple.
sabi very simple. Simple subject.
Energy.
Too much backhand, man.
Number one.
You should have
Your backhand is fantastic.
preserved the backhand in the last one.